molded tool belt is made of durable polyester and has extra wide dimensions. The belt is held via double tongue buckle. The drill holster has a Velcro strap for securing the drill and 6 drill bits holder above. The mobile phone holder can be removed and is attached via metal latch. The electrician's tool pouch contains 16 ragged and easily accessible holders and pockets. A hammer loop, which can be clipped on both sides, has a strong metal tape holder and can be carried with a handle. The belt has a securing clip and can be attached to braces via 4 loops.